In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to delete your Quora account using your mobile device. Deleting your Quora account is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the Quora app and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap Settings at the bottom left. Once you are on the Settings page, tap Privacy. And then scroll down to the very bottom. Now you'll see a section called Delete or Deactivate Your Account, and in that section you'll see the Delete Account option. Just tap and select Delete Account. Now, for security reasons, you have to enter the password of your Quora account. If you signed up for Quora using Facebook or Google, you need to create an account password and type it here. Once you've typed that in, tap on the Done button at the top right corner of the screen to finish the deletion process. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.